All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today I'm going to run through a quick post-market recap, PA recap. I didn't take any trades today, but yeah, people were asking me how, like, there was a couple setups, just how I viewed them, why I didn't take them, and what I was looking at going into market open. Before I get into it, guys, Alpha Futures, Funded Next, Top One, Code Luke X. There's discounts on all of those firms right now, so go check out the link in the pinned comment if you guys need any accounts and you want to keep building up your allocation. And yeah, go check out the Discord links in the pinned comment as well. So coming into the session today, I was neutral bias. I could see us trading either way. We had previous day low below as a draw on liquidity. And obviously the 4-hour was bearish. You could see we were trending bearish, but in the short term, we had all this low resistance built up. I wanted to see shorts through this ideally, but I was not opposed to looking for longs. It was kind of just going to be one of those days where we played our conditions and kind of see what was going to happen. But obviously looking at this, we left equal highs up here and then we had all this low resistance below. So ideally I was favoring short term a move lower, but since we had those equal highs above, ES also had equal highs at the time. I was kind of just like seeing what market open wanted to do. So we had this 15-minute gap coming into open. I ideally wanted to see price tap into this and then give us, potentially a room, like a move for shorts, or we trade through it and then we look for those equal highs above. But as you can see, market open just initially, where was the 930 candle? Just dumps. And obviously you could have shorted this, but in terms of, I don't know. I just really didn't like it. I'm not going to just short just because I see the momentum going like this. Like, yes, we have all this low resistance below that you could have targeted, but personally, I wanted to see us tap this 15-minute or something. And again, yes, you can argue we are displacing aggressively away from it. But just in terms of it being an OPEX Friday and just, I don't know, I just personally wasn't a fan of just shorting here. Looking over at ES had, again, left equal highs above. ES did start to displace lower. So I guess if you do see the momentum carrying and you wanted to see the low resistance liquidity to the downside get run, you could argue it. Personally, for me, I just wasn't willing to take it. From there, what happens? Price ends up just running lower. I was like, okay, maybe we get an aggressive retrace. Maybe we get like a 3-minute or a 2-minute continuation, but obviously we don't end up getting any of that. From there, we end up just chopping around and chopping around. There was an opportunity for a long. I believe it was like 945, 946. Let me see. Yeah. So at this time, price had came down and I believe it had swept out, I think it was London. Yeah, it swept out London low, it swept out these hourly lows right here. And then if we look over at ES was still trading higher, had not swept out London. So there was like an opportunity for a quick mech towards, like, I think it was an unfilled 5-minute. Let me double check. Yes, we have this unfilled 5 right here. I believe it was a 30-second right here. So you get this 30-second close right here, 945, puts in that bottom wick. We get this accumulation, manipulation. We have low resistance above leading towards an unfilled 5. The only issue was ES had taken out the highs. It just looks sloppy to me, but I do see why people would have taken this 100%. We weren't really delivering off of any, like, no key gap or anything like that. I do see why you would have taken this though. We get a strong 30-second. We have low resistance leading towards that 5. It's more so just the, I don't know, it just did not look clean. It didn't make me want to take it. It wasn't one of those like really like a light bulb like going off where I wanted to take this trade. And again, ES had taken out the highs, so I was a little bit hesitant there, but I see the appeal for that trade 100%. I just didn't like it personally, just based on the overall conditions and everything like that. From there, we end up trading lower. And I just didn't see anything I wanted to take here. We kind of just slowly moved around. At this point, I was hoping we would maybe get something towards previous day low, because again, we had left previous day low right there. So I was thinking, okay, maybe we will retrace into, this gap right here, and then maybe we'll seek a move lower. But again, we just end up disrespecting that gap. We do get this 5-minute continuation right here, but again, I was pretty much off the charts at this point, and then we just get this move up and we just chop. So trades of the day, really the only thing I maybe would have been open to taking looking back was the short off of market open, but again, there's just no key delivery. But I guess if you had conviction in price just running through sell side, and you see all this low resistance, I guess you could have played this out even for just the 1-to-1. Other than that, guys, I just did not see anything I really wanted to take. I didn't want a long down here because I thought we might take previous day low. And again, we do get this move up, but it just didn't get anything I wanted. So it is what it is. It is an OPEX Friday, so I really wasn't expecting much. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick video because people were asking me, especially. I do think that long, I see the appeal for sure. Just not something that I personally wanted to take. But I do understand why people would have taken it. Again, I was just watching ES and just the overall structure here and just the overall conditions, knowing it being an OPEX day, just made me want to fade it. So that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you guys took today. If you guys took any trades or you stayed flat on the day, be back with some videos this weekend, back testing, and then an outlook on Sunday. But that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.